Hello, dear students. In the previous lecture of components of food, we discussed that food is having nutrients, roughage and water, three components main, for food. And we are discussing nutrients, which is further we classified into five amongst carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins. So far we have completed up to vitamins. Now we are discussing what? Another nutrient, that is your mineral. So what do you mean by mineral? So mineral are the important nutrients, is one of important nutrients, helps us, helps body in proper functioning and growth. You need to say both things, and you can say health as well, to maintain health as well. So these three functions actually minerals are playing, properly functioning and health also maintained by the minerals particularly. So let's say discuss what kind of minerals are needed by our body. So first one important is calcium. This is the one of the minerals needed by our body. Calcium is the first one. Now we discuss the source from where you get. So you can get calcium from milk, cheese, egg, green leafy vegetables. These are the prime sources, rich sources of the calcium particularly. Now what is the function this calcium is playing in the body? That is also needed to know. So function it's playing, that calcium is actually helping in growth and as well as strength for bones and teeth. And one more function it will do is clotting of blood. Clotting of blood is also carried out by the calcium percentage. So these are the two important functions carried out in the body by the calcium. First, growth and strength of the bones and teeth, healthy maintenance and the clotting of the blood. This is the prime function of the calcium, and we can get it from milk, cheese, eggs, green leafy vegetables. Now next one is your phosphorus. However, their example is same, that you can get milk, cheese, egg is not one. Next is green leafy vegetables. You at least know two sources particularly, nuts, bajra. These are the rich source for the phosphorus particularly. And what is it's helping in? It's helping in the growth of bones particularly, growth of bones and hardening as well of them. As well as for the teeth as well. Bones and teeth, in both growth it's helping phosphorus. Now next one is your iodine. You can get from iodized salt. Seafood also is the rich source for that. Seafood, if you will take, that is also a rich source. And green leafy vegetables. These are the rich source for iodine. Now why we are taking iodine? Because iodine, there is a hormone that is known as thyroxine hormone. So thyroxine hormone is meant growth of thyroxine hormone is maintained by actually iodine. And what this thyroxine hormone does? It involves the physical, mental and sexual growth inside the body. It maintains particularly physical, mental and sexual growth inside the body. So that's why thyroxine hormone is needed. And if you needed thyroxine hormone, you must have iodine particularly. Otherwise the thyroxine hormone will not able to get created by thyroid gland. The last one important is iron. Iron, you know very well, is the rich source you will get is green leafy vegetables. So you see that green leafy vegetables, you get almost in calcium as well, phosphorus as well, iodine as well, iron as well as you can get from the green leafy vegetables, spinach. Okay, so this is also a green leafy kind of vegetable. So these are the green leafy vegetables. You can learn the example for each particularly. So you must eat the green leafy vegetables. Now what the iron does? It is actually maintaining hemoglobin. Hemoglobin of blood is maintained by which? Iron particularly. So that's why iron is the important mineral needed by the body. So this is the whole table about the minerals. 4 minerals we discussed, the important one, and from the sources we can get them in the body, and what are the functions they are basically playing in our body. So this is your mineral. So your first part, that is nutrient, today is completed by this particular session. Okay, now we will discuss about roughage. That is the second one. Okay, it is the shortest one, that's why I am discussing it right now. So roughage is what? Roughage is, you know that however it is a part of food or component. So roughage is fibrous, indigested. Indigested means to say which is not get digested. Fibrous, indigested. Fibrous, indigested material present in food. Present in food is known as roughage particularly. So if it is undigested, it does not give any energy. You know that even in the nutrients only the carbohydrates and fats are given energy. Protein, vitamin, minerals are not giving energy. So that's the same thing. Roughage is also not giving energy. Even it remain indigested. It did not get digest. It remain as it is inside the body. Then what is the function it role playing? What are the functions it helping in the body? First thing, it adds bulk to the food. Bulk to food. Mean to say, it helps in moving the food. The movement of food inside the body. It helps in moving the food, particularly undigested food. Undigested food inside the body, food undigested inside the body, get moved by which? Fibers, or you can say roughage particles. So that is the first function. Second thing, it absorbs a large amount of water, and helps retaining water in the body, helps in retaining water inside the body, retaining water in the body, because water is quite needed inside the body. Okay, so that's why it helps in that as well. So first thing, it is an undigested material, no energy it is giving, but it important role quite have, that it moves the undigested food inside the body, the movement wherever it is going, the food carried out by the roughage. Second thing, it keeps the absorbs the amount of water, mean to say help in maintaining the water level inside the body. These are the two prime functions of the roughage. Next thing, what are the sources from you can get? So the first important is the salads. Whatever kind of salads you are using, or raw vegetables particularly, they are greater source of the roughage. Another things are vegetables, fruits. These are quite good examples of the roughage materials giving. Okay, so you should take regularly vegetables and fruits in your daily diets. Okay, because they help in removing the constipation. So third function, you will also say that removing constipation particularly. Removing constipation. This is the third function you can tell. Okay, so today we will complete our nutrient section, complete one. Second one is roughage as well, we get completed. Only the last one, water, we will start it tomorrow. Okay. So today first thing you will do, read the chapter up to roughage. Second thing, learn the table of mineral. Complete. Okay. Thank you.